Hi there, welcome to Jotech AI. How may we help you?
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Jotech AI Agency where we show you how to use AI, how to maximize AI tools for your brand, for your business, and for your daily life, right? So in this video, I'm going to be comparing few AI tools that we might already know.
Yeah, over to the video. Okay, so this is my screen now, and as you can see, it's my first time of actually using this app. Okay, I've not really used Digen or Dreamface before, so I'm going to be using this starting from scratch, right? And you can see the Digen icon there, the one that has like an inverse C, and Dreamface also close adjacent to it, right? So basically I'm going to be making mistakes that any beginner would make in this video, right? This video is where I'm going to be showing exactly how to use this um how to use these tools and mistakes to avoid. Okay, so I'll make these mistakes here and you also see the corrections here, right? So if it's an issue with prompting or anything, the mistakes will be made here. You'd see how to correct those mistakes and get the better results from these apps. So let's dive in. So I've opened my Dreamface. It's very easy to use. When you open it, you just have to sign in. Okay, you have to sign in. Sorry, for Digen you would have to sign in with your email. All right, so at this point you just click on create, and I want to select the particular picture that I'll be using to create my video. Okay, as you can see, the one with me on a white suit and a YouTube icon below, the network seems to be very slow, so you just have to be patient with this. All right, so I'm going to click on that image now, and then you click confirm. Right, once you click on confirm, the image would appear on this exactly like this, right? So I want to create a video of myself talking, right? So the prompt should be like let me just use a simple prompt: lady speaking. Hello, I'm Joy. Maybe I'll not put my surname. I'm Joy. Welcome to Jotech AI. Let's just see something like this, right? How may we help you? This could work too, because most of the times they can't give long videos, so you'd have to just make your video in batches with little prompts. Okay, now once you put in this prompt for this picture, I want this picture to make an introduction video for my brand. All right, so you can use this to create introduction videos or advert videos for brands or for UGCs and stuff like that. So just click on the one you want. For the free version, we only have access to 5 seconds, right? So if you're going to get anything more than that, you're going to have to upgrade, or you're going to wait until you have enough credits for you to be able to like get 10 seconds, right? So it's creating. Sometimes it could take time. You just have to be patient. Okay, you could just maybe I'll just minimize while I go to try out Digen. All right, so we can now compare between the video that Digen will give to us and the video that Dreamface will also give to us. So let's go over to Digen. Yeah, I've clicked on Digen here. You see the interface looking like this. What is everyone creating, right? The network seems to be a little slow, but yeah, it has access to Sora 2, Nano Banana Pro, and also you can be able to get the features of Higgs field here too. I think so. So yeah, there's so many patterns you can use for your videos, but we're going straight to just generate our videos, right? So you just click on create at the top. There's a place that is written create, right? Once you click on create, sorry, these things are blocking. You will then get access to the point where you can sign up for it, right? So if you're a new visitor to Digen, you'd have to sign up, right? But if you're someone who's a returning visitor, maybe you already have an account, you have to sign in, right? So signing up is different from signing in. I just had to make that clear. So hold on, our video on Dreamface is available, and yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me zoom a little so we can see clearly. The fact that my eyes are closed So this is like a second sample, right? I think this is nice because the facial expressions and everything, I can always just add a sound to the video, but I think it's kind of changed my face. So this is where I'm going to say that whenever you're prompting, you should always add ensure 100% facial consistency to your prompt. So I'm going to type it out on the screen so that we can see, right? Ensure 100% facial consistency should always be added to your prompt. That way you'd get an exact facial image and your face would not be changed. From that previous video, you could tell that my lips were a little expanded and everything, right? So let's just keep that in mind. So I used the same prompt and the same image for dream face, okay? And I just want to show you people what it looks like. All right, I didn't really want this video to be too long. So Digen only gave me hand gestures, okay? So with the same prompt and the same image, I used the same prompt and the same image for Digen AI, okay? As you can see, I'm back to the app now, and this is what it's given to me. Let me zoom this a little so we can see it clearly. So the same prompt and the same image gave me this on Digen. I actually like the hand gestures, right? But I don't know what you guys think, Digen and Dreamface, which one is giving something best? Okay, I like the quality of this video, to be honest with you. The hand gestures look very real, except the fact that the lips are not really syncing. That this is perfect with me. I could always just add my audio with my video editing app like InShot or CapCut, right? So I just wanted to show you people from scratch what it looks like. Okay, so you could notice that I just kept zooming and zooming the videos, and this is because of the aspect ratio I used to create my own videos. So it's advisable that when you're creating yours, you use the YouTube size. Okay, don't just use whatever size they give to you. Add it to your prompt that you want it to be in the aspect ratio of 1:1. That way you wouldn't need to keep zooming and zooming, all right, when you want it to match with your screen. So the fact that I just used the available aspect ratio they give to me is the reason why I kept zooming and zooming. Okay, so the first mistake we made was with the prompt and the second one is with the aspect ratio, so just keep this in mind.
I want to know the people that are watching my videos, and I'd want to know you on from a closer range. Okay, so please indicate in the comment section your name and where you're watching from. You could also go further to tell me what you do, so that way I would be able to know how I can help you and how I can serve you better. All right, so a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so that people that need to see and know this would get access to this video, and the algorithm will carry these videos to them. And if you're a new member, don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We're on our way to 1 million views and we would want to carry you